Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to vlog for you guys. Today is my daughter's birthday. She turned 15 years old. Today is May the 25th. May the 24th. Today is her birthday, so we are going to be vlogging the whole birthday today. I just got up. I have a lot to do. I waited for last minute before I could do all these things because I was very busy. But right now I am on my way to Walmart and I have to go pick up some stuff because I didn't pick up nothing. And then I'm gonna come back, you know, and start to get things ready. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I'm really hungry and I'm so tired, as you guys can hear in my voice. I'm really tired, but I want you guys to come and spend the day with me and my girls. I'm so excited. My daughter is 15 years old now. I'm really excited. It's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a great and it's gonna be a fun day. So let's go.
Hi, 1 peppermint tea, medium, with 3 sugar.
Okay. Apple cider?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's everything?
Yes, that's everything. Thank you.
This one has on the side.
Debbie. So I just got in the kids aisle. I'm trying to see if I can find some PJs. If I don't find it, then I'll have to go to the mall. But I'm just gonna like look around and see if I can find anything here. I hope I can. If not, then I'll just go to the mall and just get it from there. I have to get my son one anyway, so I think I'm just gonna get his here. And then if I don't find anything for the girls, I'm just gonna go to the mall and then I'm gonna pick it up from there. So you guys wouldn't believe this. I forgot to get the cake. I can't believe I forgot to get my daughter cake. So I gotta go back now and get the cake. Okay, so I just came from the mall and I picked up the PJs for me and the girls. This is how it's looking. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how they are looking. And then I got some for the girls. So these are how everything is looking. I'm happy I found them on sale because it's very expensive. Like, it's very expensive. So these are the ones I got from the mall. These are for the girls. That's how it's looking. And then the pink one is for my daughter. the birthday girl, and then this one is mine, so I got the blue one. So yeah, I'm like, I finished doing everything now. It's time for me to go home. I am tired, like
Rip it! You can give me the remote now. You don't listen.
Hey. Hello. Let's get everything out. Let me put these ones in here. So I can. That's Josiah pajamas ready.
Where? Did you go?
Jojo, I didn't call you. I just said it was your pajamas. That's what I said.
It's like we're having a sleep.
Look, these ones go into the bag.
And this one. Don't just say that.
Josiah, stop your knife.
No, why would you say that?
No. Lilia, I'm going to go ahead now and start cooking the lasagna. Getting ready for my daughter's birthday. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay, you know. So I just put the onions in the pot. I put some oil and then I just put it in a pot. This is how I make my lasagna. I use the onions. You could use whatever you want to use. This is what I use, and I'm just gonna fry this out, and then after I'm gonna put the beef inside, and that's how we're going to do it. But I forgot to put salt in the water. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt in this water, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of oil and just put it in the water. So this is the birthday girl. We're getting prepared for her birthday. We're gonna have a good day today. Birthday girl, she's so tall, right? Isn't she so tall? So tall. Go ahead now and wash all the dishes so I can start to, you know, set up the place so that the plate can look very nice. The lasagna is in the oven right now, so I'm just gonna go now and then clean up this whole area because it's a mess, and then we're gonna start setting up everything. And yeah, hello guys. I don't even know what this. You wanna come help me fix this? today was a long day, but everything came out so nice. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.